всем привет! Welcome to my channel, Alice Yummy Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Latvian meatball soup. In Latvian it's called Frikadeļu zupa. It's really one of my favorites. I grew up on it as a child and I absolutely love it. It's really easy and simple soup. It tastes amazing. Kids love it, adults love it. You get little meatballs and it's quite nice and vegetable soup. So I really hope you try it. Labu appetiti!
So let's start with making our soup. I've got here my carrots and potatoes, and we're just gonna chop them up just like that with a click and chop them into nice small pieces, and we're going to do the same with our potatoes. So cut it lengthwise and then into nice small cubes. Because this soup is quite transparent, you do want to make it look quite pretty, as pretty as you can, guys. So it's gonna look like this, nice and cubed. We're going to put this away. Now in a large pot we're going to add our vegetable stock. You can also use chicken stock. Add onion, bay leaves and a few peppercorns. I like to add the whole onion so I don't have to do anything else. Then add your carrots, mix everything together, and we're going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to boil it on a medium heat. After that, we're going to add our potatoes and we're going to boil this for about another 15 minutes or so. Mix everything together, and while that's boiling, we're going to fry our meatballs. So in a pan, add your oil with onion, mix it together until it's nice and golden. You do want that golden crunch. And in a different bowl, add your beef with egg, then season it well with salt and pepper or any other spices that you like, but traditionally it's just salt and pepper. Then add your breadcrumbs and your onions. Then we're going to mix everything together with a spoon. You can also use your hands, whatever method you prefer, as long as everything is mixed in.
Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at aliceYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages.
And here I've got a pan with flour. So what we're going to do is roll each bowl into a mini version, and then we're going to dip that into the flour and roll it around until it's nicely coated. And it's going to look just like that. So we're going to repeat this with all the mixture and roll your meatballs into small sized pieces. The whole point of this soup is that you have meatballs that are tiny. Then we're going to make sure our pan is nice and hot and place your meatballs on top. And you want to fry them until they're nice and golden for a few minutes on each side. Because they're small, they're going to cook pretty quickly. Shake them a little bit. And they're ready to go into our soup. So we're going to add them into the soup and we're going to cook this for further 10 minutes. Make sure you put all the juice as well. Now when the soup is done, it's going to look delicious, beautiful and quite clear. We're going to discard the onions and the bay leaves. And then it's ready to serve. So make sure everybody gets enough meatballs in the soup, and it's really the most delicious soups to have. Everybody loves it, kids, adults, and I like to eat it with sour cream. So I hope you try this and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and check out loads of other videos that I have.